Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your device supports personal mode and that Face ID or a passcode is active. Once done, unlock the iPhone and open Settings Privacy or swipe into Control Center. This gets you straight to the control. Tap Personal Mode to view options and required permissions. Make sure location, microphone, or other prompts appear and accept only what you need. This first step prepares system services and gives you control over what personal mode can access moving forward. Now, configure exactly what personal mode does for you and why each choice matters. Tap into the mode settings and pick a scope: full environment for privacy, limited apps for focused use, or a timed session. Then set app permissions one by one so only necessary apps keep access. This prevents background tracking and unnecessary alerts. Also configure session duration and auto-exit so you're not locked in. Once you finish, the phone applies rules system-wide and minimizes data leakage. Activate personal mode from Control Center and note the status indicator. This confirms rules are live. Then test critical apps like Maps, Messaging, and Camera to ensure they behave as configured. Try sending a message, opening a photo, and checking location. If an app still has unexpected access or features are blocked, restart the iPhone first, and if that fails, reset the personal mode settings and reconfigure them. Finally, make sure iOS is up to date. Developers often fix permission bugs in updates.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.